So for this problem, to find the area of the shaded region, so from this given, now take note, from this big circle, this one is the radius, so from the center to any point of the circle, so therefore this area is equal to the radius minus 9, and this areas is equal to the radius minus 5. Then from this, so we can find now the radius of the big circle. So just equate this r minus 9 over r minus 5, then equals this r minus 5 over r. Then to simplify, so do the cross multiplication. So this becomes r times r minus 9, then equals r minus 5 times r minus 5. Then this becomes r squared, and this is negative 9r, then equals, so this one is r squared, then r times negative 5, so negative 5r. This is also negative 5r, and negative 5 times negative 5, this one is positive 25. Then observe that we can cancel this r squared, so this becomes negative 9r, then equals this negative 5 and negative 5. This is negative 10r, then plus 25. Then we need to transpose this negative 10r to the other side. So this becomes positive 10r equals 25. So therefore the radius of the big circle is 25. Then from this, so we can find now the radius of the small circle. So from this small circle, now take note, this one is the diameter, and this diameter contains this r minus 9 plus r. Then since the radius is half of the diameter, so therefore to find the radius of the small circle, so this is r minus 9 plus r, then divide by 2. So to find the radius of the small circle, then to simplify, so we need to substitute now the value for the radius of the big circle. So this one is 25 minus 9, then plus 25, then over 2, then r equals, so this 25 minus 9 plus 25, so this is 41, then divide by 2. So therefore the radius of the small circle is 20.5. So since we have now the radius of the big circle and the radius of the small circle, so therefore we can find now the area of the shaded region. Now take note that formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. So this becomes area of the shaded circle equals, so we have the area of the big circle. So we're using now the radius of the big circle minus the area of the small circle. Then substitute now the values. So we have the area equals pi times the radius of the big circle minus pi times the radius of the small circle. Then to simplify, so we have 25 squared minus this 20.5 squared. So this is equal to 204.75, then times pi, or area equals So we have 204 minus 75. Since pi is 3.14, so times 3.14, so the area of the shaded region is 642.915.